Flojo, I have an urgent request.
What is it? I'm busy with a client.
I need you to go through this bag of dates.
A bag of dates?
Yes, I need the year from each of them, and I need it done by the end of the day.
Well, hello Power Platformers. Thank you for joining me, Flojo, on another Power Platform video. Today we are going to be looking at how we can solve this with the year formula on PowerFX. The year formula is a simple function that is used to extract the year from a date. This can be incredibly useful in data analysis, especially if you're dealing with large data sets that contain lots of dates. The formula works by taking a date value and returning the year that corresponds to that date. For example, if you have a date value of January 1st, 2023, the year formula would return 2023. So how do we use the year formula then? Well, using the year formula is incredibly simple. All you need to do is type year and then add parentheses and pass the dates between those parentheses. As our example earlier, if we pass January 1st, 2023 into the year formula, it would return 2023. So what are the benefits of the year formula then? The year formula can provide a number of benefits. First and foremost, it can provide a lot of time and effort by saving that when working with large data sets. Rather than having to manually extract the year from each date value, the formula can quickly and easily do it for you. Additionally, the formula can help to make your data analysis more accurate and consistent, as it ensures that all date values are being analyzed on a year-by-year basis. So there you have it, a closer look at Microsoft's PowerFX formula year. While it may seem like a simple function, it can have a big impact on data analysis and make the process much more efficient and ultimately improve your data analysis workflows.